I'm a creep. Butter, but the butter was better, so she bought a bit of better butter. Now we're getting there. Good day. We are Thursday, October 22nd. I didn't make any money today. I didn't lose any money. I just decided it wasn't the time to invest yet. Why? Because I'm not in a hurry of losing money. And I only like to trade on green days. In fact, 55% of the days the Dow Jones were up since 10 years. Since the market is growing at a pace of an average of 9%. So that means the green days are very profitable, and that's why I choose only to invest in green days. Not for long term. Okay, long term it doesn't really matter. The fundamental of the company makes sense, you just go for it. Short term, I'm not chasing any stocks. In fact, today there's some really good story anyhow. In fact, I want to get some money in the bank to go after Canopy. The thing is, tonight is the debate night, Trump against Biden, and Biden seems to be in favor of marijuana stock. And you can see that Canopy is moving nervously. There's some good buys. No, it doesn't say. There's a lot of volumes. There's a lot of volumes when people buy the stock, and then people takes profit after. We'll look into that. Coke is doing really well, really great today. In fact, I own Coke since I would say 15 years, and I keep reinvesting the dividend. It didn't perform as well as Pepsi, but I don't drink Pepsi. And it's the same thing as my company. If I don't like the stock, if I don't buy their stuff, I'm not going to invest. But the thing is, I'm not invested. Yeah, I have some Canopy, but I don't smoke marijuana. Snap has done really well. Tesla is doing really well. Peloton, I like that company, but the thing is, it moved too quick, too fast. So it has been downgraded by Goldman Sachs. So let's dive into it right away. Let's look at the market, where the market is doing right now. Let's start with the market, Dow Jones. Okay, so it doesn't really matter, in fact, if we're not investing. As I said, there's no rush for you to, you don't have to trade every day. If you choose green days, or when the market is going green, your chances of making profit will be much more easier. A lot of companies, even though they're not in the Dow Jones, follow the Dow Jones track, so that's why. And since this morning, the Dow Jones is going nowhere. It started really, let's start one day. So it started strong, and of course because of Coca-Cola helped it a lot, and it's going down, going up. There's no clear direction. It makes sense. We don't know what the debate will be all about. Of course, Trump keeps bragging about that he's the one responsible for the up market, which we have to recognize. But until the market has at least reached 100 points for a length of period of at least half an hour, I'm not going to invest. The sentiment right now is bullish. You can see a little bit of it's not a little bit bullish, but not that much. It's mostly flat. So it keeps moving from minus 100 to up 100. Snap is still doing really good today. Yesterday was up. Look at the trend. And I did invest in Snap 3 days ago, right here. And of course I sold it because it was for short term. I still managed to make money, $800, and of course I would have loved, okay, I'm not stupid, I would have loved to own it, but the thing is, as I said, the stock that I trade on a daily basis are the stock that I own most of the time for a long term. So I have Snap in my CELI, so I'm quite happy. Coca-Cola, same thing today. Coke reported better than average. Of course, Coke is tied with the Dow Jones. It's one of the oldest company that is in the Dow Jones, so Of course, if the Dow Jones doesn't go anywhere. So if we look here, the VWAP is here, the EMA 50 is right here. So, and it is down. You know, that stock, every time it touch the RSI low, 30, it goes back up. It goes back up. But as I said, the Dow Jones is going nowhere. So why rushing right now? There's no rush to invest, and I want to keep my money for, I think Canopy can have, maybe in the afternoon, maybe around 3:30, the Canopy will explode. That's a guess, okay? I don't take my word for granted. I'm just taking a big guess here, and I'm just waiting. I'm just waiting for Canopy. Canopy, it doesn't really matter, the VWAP or the EMA. It's just if people believe that Biden will win tonight, then tomorrow Canopy might explode. And that's exactly, but the thing is, it has plateaued several times. Here around 12, 24, but look at the volume. The volume here was increasing. So I said, okay, maybe if it pop up and continue, but the volume slowed down until this, I don't know, this guy decided to sell. So he brought the market back. The market touched its low here, RSI. The line we're crossing here, so that signal a buy again. I didn't buy it at 1948 up to, but the thing is, volume is not that great. Volume is not great. This one, I'm not basing my judgment on the VWAP, or I will just base on the fact that does Biden will win the debate tonight. If it does, it has a good chance, it may pick up. But I may make a move right as we speak. I may just decide to get in if it goes around 20 with huge volume. I'll wait until then. American Airlines has lost billions of dollars, and American Airlines is doing great. Why? Because the US government would probably pour more money into the airline industry. So I like day trade this one because it has huge volumes. And look at this one here, 12.75. It went up with kind of decent volume, 20 cents. That's only what I need to make money. So what else? Snap, Coca-Cola, Tesla. For people that loves Tesla, I don't like Tesla. It's too expensive anyway. But the thing is, it delivers. He keeps delivering right now. For a while, he was keep shouting that Tesla was making money. It's still overpriced, but it has momentum. So, but it's too expensive for me. I like stocks between $12 and $55. That's only what I'm looking at. Herbalife, I included that one lately, but it's not. It's too expensive right now. I think went up today, but I have no clue why. Schlumberger, again, this is all near blue chip stock. Okay, so it's kind of interesting, but again, market is going nowhere. One of the stock that I've invested yesterday, I didn't hold it for a very long time, which is clean energy ETF. Look at it. Keeps going down now after it went up. So there's no clear direction. You don't invest in a stock that goes like this. Went up, stabilized, went down. Too risky. In fact, I lost $280 on that one. And good things I sold, because I would have lost almost $3,000. So sometimes you just have to accept, cut your losses, and move on. That's about it. Look at Delta. Delta, same thing, eh? Because I didn't look. I think the US government will pour more money, and that will probably put a lot of pressure on the Canadian government as well. So Uber, Uber right now is overpriced for short term, but interesting, keeps going up. So that's about it for today. I'll keep looking in the afternoon, and probably I will keep an eye on Canopy all afternoon. If it breaks 20, I think it can go up to 21, and I can make a quick hit on this one. I'll just wait until that area, and we'll see. If it doesn't happen, we'll see tomorrow. Anyway, 55% of the days are mostly up, 45 are down. So it's much more easier to catch a good company that has that just for a while it goes down for 20 cents. That's exactly what I'm looking for. A company around 20 bucks that goes down for 20 cents when the RSI is very low. And I'm not only basing my strategy on the RSI, but RSI is really good with the VWAP, except right now, I don't care about VWAP for Canopy. It's only pure guess. If people believe that Biden would get in, or Trump makes a statement regarding marijuana, this stock will explode or will just go down. So I just prefer to wait with my cash and make a move when an opportunity arises. Have a good one.